Yo, 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 yo. What is up, chat? What is up? I hope everyone's having a great, fantastic day. What is up, son of Wall Street? I'm not playing any game. I'm actually going to be doing a strategy I take every single night on my live accounts. So yeah, we're going to get into it once this first 5-minute candle closes. After this 5-minute candle closes, which it looks like it's going to be a sell candle, we're going to get into more than likely a short. And we're going to aim for 300 on these accounts, these two accounts that I have going right now. I'll also be taking it on my Top Step account. But we're going to be doing the aiming for... Actually, we're going to be letting it run all night on Top Step. For this one, though, we're going to be letting it run for $300. How's everyone doing tonight, though? I hope everyone's doing well. How was the trading day? Did y'all see that crazy drop at New York? I'm going to go over that because I want to get a good YouTube video for it and just talk about what happened. It was a massive, massive drop, and there was a strategy that I used for it as well. We got about 2 minutes and 40 seconds before this 5-minute candle closes. As y'all can see, I do got my baby with me today. My wife's cooking. What's up, Rocky Mount? What is up, dude? Hey, if you don't mind, like the stream, share it. Let's get more people in here watching. I want to play like more upbeat lo-fi music, but I feel like if I do that, I'll get copyrighted. So I'm trying to come up with music myself and then just have it on Suno. But I need to come up with like ways to create it. Yeah, almost nailed the top perfectly. Short entry was 823. Yes, sir. So crazy enough, I know you know that the competition for Tradeify is going on right now. I ended up being $8,000 in profit today, and you'll never believe it, Rocky, but I tilted and I ended up only being up $2,000 for the day. I actually lost $6,000 from it, going on 2 cons for it because I'm trying to catch up to the people that are in the top 200, and it's so hard. Like everybody's over like 15K now, and I just started it today, so I didn't think I did too bad. But yeah, there's people that are already up like 15K, 27K, and then I know there's like 2 or 3 people that are up 50K right now. So, but yeah, we got about another minute before this candle closes. It definitely looks like it's about to be bearish. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll hit our TP relatively quick tonight. I know she's not going to want to be in here very long. She gets cranky being in the garage. That's where my setup is. I plan on doing some stuff like painting the background or putting some stuff up. What's up, Jose? I see you, Jose. Yeah, I saw Rips made like 60. Yeah, dude. Yeah, they are freaking killing it right now. Oh, see, I haven't blown it up yet. I just started it, so I think I'm in like place 2,000 because I was in place 415, but because I tilted and lost 6K, now I'm in place like 2,000. Who told you could yawn? Don't you know it's contagious? All right, this 5-minute candle closed. We're going to put our limit orders in before it takes off without us. Right here. Sell. TP. We want 300. Boom. And stop loss right there. It's a very, very small stop loss, which is nice. It might take off without us, though, which will suck if it does. Yeah, it's dumping now. Great. It's not what I wanted. I definitely wanted it to come and tap us in first. Oh, is this my top? Yeah, this is my Tradeify. Get on this one. Century was 295. Hang on. Time to make some monies. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Time to make some monies if he'll tap us in. Stop loss. And for this account, we're just going to let it run all night. I got a stop loss in for it. Do this on my other Top Step account as well. There we go. Maybe he'll come back and grab us. If not, all good. Move on till next week. I need to make $150, and then I'm taking a payout on Top Step. I need a couple more days, and then I'll be able to take a payout on Volmetr or on the Edge Funder accounts. Look at that. It has already hit my TP if it would have tapped me in. That's crazy. Very, very crazy. Put an alert. See right there. Maybe it'll come back and tap us in. Big moves, Global Epics. Yes, sir. Very big moves. Yeah. Yes.
Order filled.
All right, it filled us. We're in. Now let's see if we can go hit TP. Oh, go hit it. Let's get us out on Top Step. Get that payout for Top Step. Bring us down to this TP for the Edge Funder. Yep, I see it tap me in. It's a strategy that my mentor taught me. I'm not gonna keep giving it out every single night, just because I don't know. I just don't want to keep doing that. But you do the first 5 minute candle, whatever happens, whether it turns green or bullish, you get in. So like today it was green candle, it was a red candle. So what you do is you put your entry right here in the bottom of the body of the candle, and then your stop loss would be at the top. If there was a wick at top, we would put it at the top of the wick, but there wasn't, so we just got it for the body of the candle tonight. Right now we're up $50, $60 on this candle, $70 on this candle. I know, Mama. I know. Come here. You're okay, though. I promise. You're okay, yeah? Come on. Drop 2 more points. 2 more points. 2 more points. No, what the heck was that? There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo! Go woo! Go woo! Top Step payout secured. Now let's run it down. Come on. Let's run it down on this. Let's go. This strategy works almost every single night. I'm telling you. Every single night. On my other Top Step, like I said, I'm just letting it run for the rest of the night. The Edge Funders account, they have a 20% consistency rule, but they're straight to funded. So I aim for $300 on this 25K account every single night, so I stay within that consistency. And then we're also letting it run on the Edge Funder account. You give me 1 second. Let me see if my mother-in-law can hold the baby. Give me 1 second, because she's over here right now. Chat, we back, chat. We are back. Let's go. So sorry, I didn't mean to. Yeah, that's hers. Sorry, didn't mean to leave y'all waiting. It looks like we're pushing back up. What the? Was this? Okay. I was like, did it hit TP and then not take me out? Nah. It's all good though. Yeah, so let me show y'all what happened today while we wait for this trade to play out, right? Let me show y'all what happened today. And this is a strategy that I take during New York, right? And I only trade on the 5 minute. I really don't trade on the 1 minute. I don't trade on the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, 4 hour. I don't trade on none of those, okay? So I trade on the 5 minute and that's it. You see, during what's it called, Asia yesterday, we took a loss, right? Took a loss for about $800, and then it came back in. We always do a double entry. It came back in, tapped us in, and we actually ended up hitting TP2, which made us all of our money back plus another $800. Awesome, freaking fantastic. Okay, and then New York happened. London took Asia high. New York happened. London high was taken. And then I wait for these highs to be swept or lows to be swept. And I wait for an IFVG to form, right? An IFVG to form. That was taken. IFVG formed right, where was 930? Right here, open on this candle. IFVG formed. I got in, as you can see, right here. I actually got in up here, but I got out. I think I got out for like $1,000 is what it was because I was on 2 cons. So I got out, and then I was like, okay, it's still going down. Another IFVG was formed. Another inversion fair value gap was formed. So I hopped back in on this candle. Okay? On this candle. I rode it all the way down. All the way down here. I got out. I made $5,000 off that move. $5,000. I got back in. And then I got out right here. And then I made another I made another 1,000 because I was up 6,000. If I would have just held, right? If I would have just held, because I ended up getting right here and then selling right here, which was the other 3,000 that I need, or 2,000 that I needed to hit $8,000. If I would have just held, let's look at how much this would have been. And even good traders, they tilt. Okay. I'm not afraid to tell you my losses because I was up $8,000 today on the Tradeify comp account, and then I ended up losing. I lost 6,000 of it, so I only ended up the day with 2,000. However, I'm okay with it. It's a competition. I would never do this on my real account. I would never do that. Once I'm up my money, I'm closing my charts for the day. But if I would have held, because I entered 2 cons every single time, look at what I would bring up, chat. The day ended right here. Look at that. This is the low for the day. I would have been up $18,000 if I wouldn't have kept getting in and out. This right here is why you don't not trust your trade. You don't not trust your trade. You have to trust your trades. You have to trust your strategy. You have to. Anyway, I still ended up green for today, $2,000. Which, let's see. Let's see, right now, let's see, it's 162. Is this hit yet? This is not. So right now, my current profit for today, $162. For me to get a payout on Top Step. That's all I needed, okay? But on this strategy, I take this strategy every single time it pops up for New York. Every single time, chat. Every single time. And it plays out very, very nicely when it does. I mean, even 1 con, you still would have been up $9,000. My stop loss... Okay. My stop loss always goes at the high. Or the daily level above it is what I do. Okay. These daily levels, I also learned from my mentor. Purple is daily levels. Pinks are mitigated, which you see a pink one down here. It means that it was a daily level. It never got taken, so it becomes an unmitigated level. But yeah, so I always aim for the daily levels when taking the strat. As you see, this daily level right here, and it did get taken, and that was for $8,000. 805 closed when we took London lows, 200 points. I was happy. LO ended up being up 600 points. Heck yeah, dude. That's freaking great. That's fantastic. That is fantastic. But, I mean, you see, Rocky, this trade works out really well. Really well. It is. It's very crazy. I don't think anybody was expecting the market to just dump 600 points today. But yeah, for a recap of today, YouTube, make sure you're clipping this. But for a recap of today, we got in right here. Why is my limit order not working? There it is. So we got in right here. We rode it all the way down to this daily level, made $3,000, got back in on this daily level, and then rode it back down for $5,000. Ended up being $8,000, and then I lost 6 by tilting. But it's all good. It's all good. We could bring it back tomorrow. But all this strategy is it's just sweeps of the highs and lows of Asia session, IFVGs forming, and then aiming for the daily levels, which are like what's it called, liquidity grabs, waiting for just liquidity to be taken, and then yeah, that's it. After that, you're done for the day. I wasn't expecting it to be like super bullish, but I wasn't expecting this bearish. I was not expecting this to happen. I mean, if you look on the 1 hour, it's like, I think almost every hour of today since 9 o'clock was, 8, 9, 10, 11. For 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 hours straight, it was just sales. Just sales. Yeah, it's a very simple strategy. I don't like making things complicated. I'd rather just stick with the simple strategies, and that's it. I think, yep, our trade is now in the red. Pushing back up now. Here. Yeah, give me 1 second. What's up, Gage? I see you, buddy. One second, chat. Brad, what do you mean? I know the hourly candle has no wick. Chat, we might get tapped out. Wonder why this is different on Volmetrica than it is on TradingView and Top Step. There we go. All right, fix that. Now, 25, 295. Stop loss is 25, 3. All right, let's see if we can hit TP10 tonight. That'd be nice. Make a lot of money on Top Step, Tradify. I really want this to hit for the Edge Funder. If y'all have not bought accounts with the Edge Funder, I would highly, highly suggest going to check them out. They are all straight funded. They do have a 20% consistency rule, but there's no E-value at the pass. You do get to take out 50% of your profits after you meet the buffer level. Anything that's above the buffer level. So for me, I got to make 1,500 to be above the buffer level. And then after that, I can take out 50% or whatever I want. So that's nice. And then no trading news. Yeah, the Edge Funder. It's a very good prop firm. You should go check it out, Rocky. And once you take your first payout, you don't have to pay for the account anymore, which is nice. Heck yeah. Rocky, when you do that, make sure you use code GrayWolf59 for 10% off of your account.
Order filled.
Up. We got stopped out. That's why it was different. $23,295. All right, we're gonna put our order back in. Give it one more chance. And because we lost $190, we're gonna bring it down to $490. And then put our stop loss right back here. You always allowed to give it 2 chances. Hi there, do you only trade Asia? No, Rose, I also trade New York. I trade New York and Asia. If you weren't here before, I'll go over the strategy one more time. But for Asia, or for a New York session, is I only trade one strategy during New York. All right, so the way it goes for me on the New York session, right? I wait for the London or Asia session to get swept, right? Whether it be the highs or the lows. I wait for it to be swept, and then I wait for a IFVG to form, like right here. But I wait for New York open, which is 9:30. So I got in right here on this candle, 9:25. 5 minutes before open, but I did hop in. And I think I actually hopped in 1 minute before. So I get in after an IFVG is formed, and then I aim for the daily level, which is the purple line, right? Come on, where's my limit order? There it is. So I got in right here, aimed for the daily level. I made $3,000 on it. Yeah, so I made $3,000 on it. I don't know how to say your name, but the strategy is good. I mean, it plays out over 60%. I mean, if you want proof, I can show you my payouts, but I've always gotten a payout every single month this year. So anyway, yeah, so I got in right here, aimed for the daily level, hit. An IFVG formed right here, or a fair value gap formed right here, and then it got taken going up, and then it made another one coming down, which was an IFVG. So I hopped in right here on this candle, and then I aimed for this daily level down here, and I ended up making $5,000 from that as well. So I ended up being $8,000 up for my competition account, and then I tilted and lost 6, but I was still up 2K. No, this is my first time trying to Edge Funder, so I haven't gotten a payout with them yet. However, I am aiming to get one by the middle of November. An IFVG is an inversion fair value gap. Here, let me clean up my chart a little bit. Let me log out of this. This should clean it up a little bit. All right. So the yellow or orange, whatever you're seeing on yours, it's a sell inversion fair value gap, right? A fair value gap would end up being green. However, I have them turned off because I don't use fair value gaps. So you see a fair value gap, because it was selling off most of the day, It was red. I recommend the Edge Funder, and there's no bias about it. I just think that compared to Top Step, they're just a little bit better. I stream every single day between 6 and 7 Eastern Time, T1. The Edge Funder, they're straight to funded, where Top Step is not. Top Step also has activation fees. I'm not a big fan of activation fees, personally, so I try and stay away from any prop firms that have them. The Edge Funder is straight to funded, like I said. You're allowed to take out 50% of your profits once you are above the buffer zone, which for a 25K account is 1,500. So to put that in perspective, let's say I'm up $3,000 on the account. That means I have a $1,500 that's above the buffer zone. I could take out 50% of the 1,500. So I could take out $750. Yeah, T1 just got an account with the Edge Funder. If you do go buy an account with the Edge Funder, make sure you use code GrayWolf59 for 10% off. But yeah, they also just added a new thing called, or that's the journal for their account, which I can show you. It shows all your trades. My ear's been out of whack lately. Yep, as you see, yesterday I lost 472, and then I lost 190. But for the I lost 190 today. But Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, I made 300. So 300 here, 300 between these two trades, 300 here between these two trades. It works out great. And I don't know any other prop firm that has the journal, so I really love the fact that they added this. What's the website on Edge Funder? It's just theedgefunder.com. My ear's messed up right now. All right, what questions do you have, T1? Let's see, 190 minus 190, so it's 380. There we go. All right, on the Edge Funder accounts, we're down 380. That's $180 a piece, or $190 a piece, I mean. As you can see, 190 on this account, 190 on this account. See if we can bring it back. No under 150 and no over 300 for 7 days on 25K, right? Yes, so $150 is the minimum that you need to make for it to count as a trading day for you. 300 is to stay underneath the 20% consistency rule when you hit 1,500 for 7 days. Yes, you can use code GrayWolf59 for the 10% discount. Rocky Mount, yeah, you should definitely try it, Rocky. They're a great prop firm, very great prop firm. I've heard that they got some amazing things coming in the future. I don't know what those things are yet, but I've heard rumors about some amazing things coming. Yeah, Rocky Mount, 20% off for the first purchase. But I think that's if you use the code that they're handing out on their website. Let's see. Just go to it real quick. I don't see that, but I'm pretty sure it's 20% off. Yeah, start 20. Yeah, it's 20% off for your first purchase. I highly suggest everybody go and check them out. They are a great prop firm. 20% off is the max for right now. And that's only for your first purchase. I have seen where they have more. I've seen them where they've done 30% off, and I've seen it where they've done 40% off one time. You can also join their Discord, which is the link in my TikTok. And it's if you just type it in, you see it scrolling across the screen right now. But they have a Discord where they give you all the information that you need, all the promotions that are going out.
Order filled.
We are tapped in. Let's see if we can continue to go back down. Like I said, we get one re-entry on this. If it fails, we're done for tonight. Again, I want to go over this one more time of how today went while we're letting this trade play out. Let me fix my zones real quick. There we go. It's not deleting. There we go. All right, so New London session got swept. Waited for open. IFVG formed. Hopped into a sell. Rode it down to the daily level. Made about $3,000 on it. Another IFVG formed. Hopped in right here. Rode it all the way down for another $5,000. Made about $8,000 today. And then got tilted and lost $6,000. But the strategy is very simple. It works 75% of the time is what I want to honestly say. And I'm not lying to y'all. You can go and look at my win rate. You can look at my win rate right here. Because anything I take on paper, I'm willing to take on my actual accounts as well. But if you look here, my trading journal, which now that I know the Edge Funder has also like a practice account, I'll probably start taking my trades on there as well. But as you can see, I started this on October 30th. Win, loss, 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 win, win, big wins, huge wins, couple losses, couple small losses, $20, $15. Big wins again. One big loss, another big win to even it out, another big loss, made that money back, so on and so forth. And I only take that strategy on this account. Pull down, there we go. It works out not 75% of the time. Wait for the sweeps. No, I don't, because I work between 9 and 1:30. All right, I'm going to have to hurry up. I'll let this trade play out and let y'all watch it until it fails, but I got to go grab my baby again. Give me 1 second. All right, chat, I'm back with the baby again. Is there anything that y'all want to know from me? Looks like, we're tapped out. All right. What was that? 380 plus 380, $720 loss for today. Not bad. We can make it back tomorrow. Or, I'm sorry, we can make it back on Sunday. I'm going to go over I'm going to do a recap of the week video on Saturday. Do y'all want me to go live on Saturday, or you just want me to make the video for y'all to watch? I'll do both. I know I say a lot, chat, so I do apologize for that. I'm trying to make my lives more professional and friendly for everybody. All right, Rocky. I'll just do a recap video then. Probably won't go live on Saturday then. That way I can spend more time with the family, the baby. Look at her chubby cheeks. Look at her trying to bite me too. Ew. Stop drooling. But yeah, so I think we're gonna end it there, chat. We did lose twice tonight. No biggie. If y'all saw the win on Sunday, y'all would be like, dang, that's nothing compared to the win. Because we won big on Sunday and we won big on Monday. Oh, yeah, I feel a lot better than last night, Rocky. Are you tuning in tonight as well? Gage, I see you over on the TikTok. Thank you for joining. We're about to actually end it tonight. We did end up losing twice tonight. Sucks, but yo, what's up, Gage? That's good. Yep, I'll be there. Bet. All right, Rocky Mountain, that'll be awesome. It tapped me out. What do you mean? How am I out? I'm gonna be honest, Rocky. I almost didn't call out anybody's names. That's how bad I was feeling. Yeah. I'm on mini NQ Gauge because the 25K account doesn't have a whole lot of daily drawdown. So I'd prefer to just take everything on minis. Yeah, I was feeling bad. I feel a lot better tonight. Yeah, I see that regular NQ is still in, whereas micro NQ is out. And there it is, out on regular NQ as well for $380. Yeah, it's out. It's all good. Hey, when I do the recap video on Saturday, I'm telling y'all are going to be really, really surprised at how big we've won. And shoot, I might do a recap video of all of October just to show y'all how much we won. I did take a trade today. I lost twice. Y'all got any questions for me? Rose, you got any questions for me? All right, see you in SK's live stream. Rocky. All right, if there's no questions, I will see all of y'all on Sunday. Yeah, I'll see you on Sunday at 6 o'clock. I hope you all have a great night and stay safe trading. Bye. Bye. Bye.